Hello and welcome back to Sunstone Eduversity. I am Sonia Jaitly, your guide to acing communication skills. In the previous videos, we spoke about the steps to answering the very important question, tell me something about yourself. Well, today we will learn how to bring in all the steps together. Now, before we get started, do subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Now, let's begin by recounting the previous 5 steps. Number 1, greet the recruiter formally. Number 2, talk about your academic qualification and your specialization. Number 3, mention internship or your work experience. Number 4, talk about additional certifications. And number 5, talk about your hobbies. Now that we have all the steps, let's learn how to bring it all together. Here's how. Good morning, I am Sonia, and I'm currently pursuing my master's program from the Sunstone Eduversity. I have earned my bachelor's degree in science from the University of Delhi. Coming back to my post-graduation, I have chosen human resource as the area of my specialization. As part of my academic program, I have interned at XYZ company for the period of 4 months. My role was that of an associate recruiter, and I recruited over 30 candidates for a retail chain. The internship was an enriching experience for me as I picked up critical skills on how to work within a diversity, perform under pressure within set timelines. Given the COVID situation, what I learned the most was how to function without the framework of a traditional office. I would also like to make mention of an additional certification that I have undertaken in the payroll system. This helped me a great deal during my stint at the internship. Last, my assignments at college and project keeps me on my toes, so there is a little downtime that I get. But the little time that I do get, I like to work out in a gym. Working out helps me keep fit and has also taught me how to be self-motivated and goal-oriented. So that is, in a nutshell, all about me. The little window of time that you will get to speak about yourself, remember to pack this time up talking about your key skills, core competencies and your accomplishments. This brings us to the end of this segment. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this and do hit the like button. Take care. Bye-bye.